Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rodney Stokes here, and this video is in response to a lot of questions I've been getting lately in terms of what type of lead magnet I can use or bait I can use inside of my Facebook profile banner. And I'm just going to show you a quick resource that I've used over the past couple of years and how it can apply to you. And really, for any niche, any business opportunity, any company, it doesn't matter. And here's a great example that literally just came in 3 minutes ago. I had a question from Tammy Evans and was basically asking any suggestions on how to properly market, her business to get more leads, right? So she's into cryptocurrency. So this is a website called Buy Quality PLR, and PLR stands for private label rights. And so basically it's a way where you can purchase the rights to different products, whether it's ebooks, softwares, applications, articles. You can see right here, cryptocurrency secret sales funnel with master resale rights for $10. And master resale rights means that you basically can do what you want to with it. You can give it away for free to somebody else. You can sell it. You can slap your name on it. Completely brand yourself. Online income, let's see. Bitcoin for Profit PLR ebook resale rights, $4. And I'm going to put on this video, I'm going to put a coupon, a discount code where it knocks 30% off. Okay, so that'll help you out as well. But you can see the prices of these different PLR products. Bitcoin breakthrough sales funnel with master resale rights. Let's just click on Bitcoin for Profit. Let's see. So nice cover. It's an ebook, obviously. Like I said, you can put your name on it. You can have Tammy Evans at the bottom. You can have, a picture of you, basically brand yourself. This is yours now once you purchase it. And it breaks down everything. 20,000 word Bitcoin ebook. It has the different chapters. And of course, you can modify it. It's yours. You own it. You can do what you want to with it, right? But what I like to do and what I suggest that other people do is you can give it away as bait or as a lead magnet inside of your Facebook profile header. And then at the end of that article or that ebook or whatever, you need to pitch your opportunity. So what you're doing is you're giving out goodwill by giving away free value, free content, and in exchange for their email address, of course, because you want to build your email list. And I'll just show you this one, for example, Profile Profit, so you can see how it's all interconnected together. So free cheat sheet, 4 steps to hacking your Facebook profile for unlimited lead sales and signups. And I have some testimonies, social proof, and pretty much this is where it all starts. When someone lands on my Facebook profile, and of course I know exactly what type of people are landing on my profile because I'm targeting them using Social Prospector Pro. I'm going after them in specific groups and specific posts from influencers or whoever the case may be inside of my niche. I'm going after these prospects. So I know once they receive a friend request from me and they come back and revisit my profile to, look a little further to see who's this guy that's sending me a friend request, they see front and center, stop pitching friends and family, this free method, blah, blah, blah. It looks like a button. They click on it. They can click on that link right there, or they can click on the link under this second headline right here. This free method will skyrocket your downline in 4 easy steps. Once they click on it, they're taken to what's called a capture page, because basically what we're doing is we're exchanging something of even or greater value in exchange for their email address. So we're going to capture that visitor or that lead's information, and then we can continue to follow up with them via email. And so this is the reason why I said this is actually a great example, because as you can see, Tammy said she's promoting something that has something to do with blockchain cryptocurrency technology, but she's limited on how she can promote. But privately, she can, give away all the information she wants. So that's perfect. If she slapped up that ebook, Bitcoin Secrets, or whatever the case is, someone clicks on her link, goes to her landing page, for a little bit more details, but only telling them just enough to get them to opt in and go a step further. Now she captured that lead's email address inside of her autoresponder, and she can give all the information privately as she wants to that lead, through a series of email drips that, send out to these leads every single day, convincing them of more reasons why they need to get started in Tammy's program. And so that's just a major key of why you want to have bait that applies to your specific demographic. And of course, you can have the best bait in the world. You can have the best sales funnel. You can have, 365 days worth of email follow-ups. But if you're not targeting the right people, which is what Social Prospector Pro allows you to do easily. For example, if I'm targeting a group called Network Marketing Questions, I'm sending out targeted friend requests to 15,000 members of this group. I know for a fact, once I finish sending these friend requests and someone goes to check out my profile, this headline is being seen by the cream of the crop, the best possible quality prospect that, I can get in front of for free, right here on Facebook. So it's a free form of traffic, but like I said, it's an equation. You got to make sure that you target the right demographic using Social Prospector Pro. When they come to check out your profile, you have a headline that's going to relieve pain and it's going to gain pleasure based on what they struggle with or what their needs are, because you should understand your industry, in terms of what solutions you can provide to them. And once they click to go check out your capture page, they opt in. Now you just built the email list and you can do as you want with them. So if Facebook goes down tomorrow, whatever the case may be, you can send out an email and say, hey, join me on this brand new social media platform, right? And you can start over from scratch. But this is your asset that you have to keep. You make sure that you nourish your friendships, your relationships, and you provide value over time. And that way you can close no matter what platform you're using, no matter their rules, no matter the algorithm. It's just a nice, smooth way to bring people into your sales process, and you can continue to build a relationship, and the money is in the list. The better you treat your leads, the better you follow up with them and provide training and valuable content, the more reward that you're going to receive, right? Because if someone's joining you in this program and they, if they've been on your list for 2 years, they might join you in the next program down the road. You now have a valuable following, and you scratch their back, they'll scratch yours. So hopefully you got some great value out of this. To summarize it, make sure that you have bait that you know for a fact that will interest and grab the attention of your demographic. And you should know that based on how you're targeting these people, whether it's in specific groups or specific posts, as we have for Postfriender. And the equation is you can't help but to be successful. Once you put the right offer in front of the right audience, it works. No matter who you are, it works. Okay. So again, I hope you got value from this, and I'll see you next time.